What's up, home sellers? Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to properly price your home to put it on the market for sale. This is a huge topic everybody talks about. Obviously, when we're on listing appointments, this is what we go over and one of the most difficult conversations we have. So I want to give you some insight on how we price and the different ways you can price your property. The first way to price is over market value. I don't suggest this. It never works out well. And most times you're going to end up sitting on the market and wasting time. So pricing over market value, what you're doing is pretty much saying, here are what the comps are, here's what's selling in the neighborhood. I know what it's worth, but I'm gonna price it a little bit higher just to see what we get, or build in some negotiation room. Everybody always says, let's try to build in negotiation room, right? So the reason you don't wanna do this is because once you're on the market, buyers aren't stupid. They're gonna look on different websites, Zillow, Trulia, whatever it is, and they're gonna see what things are selling for, what the market statistics look like, and they're gonna see, okay, why is this home worth more than the neighbor that just sold $20,000 less? Unless there's a real reason why you should be priced higher than market, don't do it. 9 times out of 10, you're gonna sit on the market and you're gonna end up losing thousands of dollars potentially down the road when you do eventually sell. The other way you can price is below market value. So this is a tactic we use personally when we take on listings. And the reason we do this is because when you price something under market value, it looks like a great deal to the buyer because it is. And in a low inventory market where there's not a lot of homes for sale, but there's a lot of buyers, like in Chicago, it's very difficult to underprice your home because, again, buyers aren't stupid. They're gonna see that this is a great deal and it's below what all the comps are selling for. So they're gonna wanna get in quickly. You're gonna get a lot of buyers all at once, and hopefully they're gonna make offers and get into a multiple offer situation. So the goal for that is when you have multiple offers, it'll drive the price up to what the market is dictating. So again, it's very difficult to underprice, but let's say you price under market value and we're not getting many showings, the feedback's bad, and the market seems like it's stale. Well, what that means is the market's shifted a little bit. Now that price isn't necessarily under market value. It could be market value or it could be just over. That's why it's very important that you work with a realtor who is touching base with you every single week, giving you updates, giving you their opinion, and showing you statistics on what the neighborhood is doing. Now, the last thing I'm gonna mention, and I think it's a very important topic as well, is when you price, you have to look through the eyes of an appraiser. It doesn't matter what we think it's worth as a realtor, what you think it's worth as the homeowner, or what the buyer thinks it's worth at the end of the day. What matters is what the appraiser thinks it's gonna be worth. So when they do the appraisal, once it's under contract, the appraiser is gonna have to look at the price for the contract and say, okay, does the market support this? So it's really important to think that way because it takes some of the emotion out of it and makes you think a little bit more logical. Okay, I get that we put new electrical in and we want $5,000 more than the comps, but maybe that's not realistic to a buyer or the appraiser. So these are all questions and conversations we have with our clients, but hopefully this video helps clear up some of the difficulties in pricing your home or what you think your home is worth. But always reach out to us if you have questions. We're gonna keep making more videos related around selling your home. We'll see you on the next one. Click like, subscribe, pass this on if you found it helpful.